In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and print a full sheet of labels in Google Docs using our Labelmaker add-on. Labelmaker helps you create and print your own labels at home, saving you time and money. Let's get started. The first step is to open a blank document. Open a new Google Docs and leave it blank. We'll use that document to create and print labels. The second step is to open Labelmaker. In Google Docs, click on the Add-ons menu, then select Create and Print Labels and click on Create Labels. If you don't already have Labelmaker, go ahead and download it on the Google Workplace Marketplace. After the installation, reload your document by closing it and reopening it. The third step is to select a template. So within the Labelmaker sidebar, click on Select a Template, then look at the available templates in the list. You'll notice that we've got more than 5,000 labels available. You can go ahead and select it under the most popular templates or just click on the category you wish to pick. We'll just go ahead and select Avery US Slasher for our example. Now it's time to edit the document. Add text and formatting in the very first cell of the document. We want to make sure that we format it. You can change the font, you can also change the size and the color and so on and so forth. I've decided to put it in blue and maybe align it here. If you've linked a mailing list, you can add the fields by adding double arrows. That's another option that you can select here, select the spreadsheet, but that will be for another video. We now want to replicate the first cell. To do that, click on Create Labels to create a new document with a full sheet of labels replicated from the first label. If you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and uncheck the Use First Cell as a model. Click on Create Labels and wait a couple of seconds and open the document. Before we print our labels, we want to make sure that they look as expected. If you want to make a change, you'll have to go back to the document, make your changes here, and then open document to create another sheet of labels. Now that your document is ready and your labels look right, click on Print. When you see the Print dialog pop up, click on More Settings and make sure that your margins are set to none and your scale is set to 100. Depending on the format of the labels product, you might need to adapt the size of the page. For example, Avery US Letter 5160 requires the size to be letter. Now you're all set, you can click on Print and you're done. If you want to find out more about Labelmaker, make sure you click on the link available in the description.